Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's this one?
Yo, Nepali Dhaka topi.
Dhaka topi.
Yes.
How much is one?
Yo,
Huh?
900 rupees.
One is 9,
100 rupees.
100 rupees.
Yes.
100.
900.
Why 900?
Yes.
That's really too much, bro. Can I try?
Okay.
But there is no my size there, bro.
Yeah.
Welcome to Nepal. 9000.
Yes.
Why that much costly?
Discount.
This is too much.
Too much.
Is there no fixed price written on it?
Yes, yes. Fixed price. Fixed price.
Where is price? Where is price tag? Price tag. No, price tag?
No price tag, no.
No price tag.
Yes.
What-
400 rupees. Yeah?
No, it's very costly, bro. It's too much.
Okay.
But it's nice. Thank you.